If your Chevy Malibu's lights are dimming or your battery keeps dying, listen up. Let's talk about a common headache: your Chevy Malibu's alternator not working. The alternator is what keeps your battery charged and powers everything electrical in your car. Here's how to spot a failing alternator. First, your dashboard battery light might pop on. Second, you may notice dim headlights, flickering interior lights, or electrical glitches. And if your car struggles to start or dies while driving, that's a big red flag. So what should you do? Step 1. Check the battery. Sometimes the battery is the real culprit. Use a multimeter if it reads below 12.6 volts with the engine off. Your battery might be weak. Step 2. Inspect the alternator belt. If it's loose, frayed, or cracked, it can't spin the alternator properly. Step 3. Test the alternator output. Start your car and measure voltage at the battery. You want to see 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Anything less, and your alternator could be the problem. If you're not comfortable with these checks, no worries. Visit a trusted mechanic. Replacing an alternator isn't a DIY job for everyone. Remember, a dead alternator can leave you stranded. Don't ignore the warning signs. Catching the issue early can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. That's your quick guide to a Chevy Malibu alternator not working. Stay safe and keep your ride running smooth.